Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 3 English Get Smart Plus 3 workbook on page 87. So this is Phonics 2. So activity 1, look, find and circle, then write. So you will need to find the word search here. So give an example number 1, fruit. So at the bottom of the word search window. So number 2, so this motion is drink. So he drinks milk. So he drinks milk here. So we have drink. So which is here. And then this is all capitalized word, capitalized alphabet. So here you need to write the lower cases. So drink. And then number 3, we have tree here. So T-R-E-E. So tree. And then number 4, we have crayon. So C-R-A-Y-O-N. So crayon is right here. And then number 5, we have bread. So bread is here. And then number 6, we have pretty. So pretty is in the middle, vertical. So P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. And number 7, he brushes his teeth. So brush. So we have number 7, brush. So B-R-U-S-H for brush. And then number 8, this color is called gray. So G-R-E-Y and not A-Y. So G-R-E-Y. So we have here horizontal. So gray. So next I move on to activity 2. Listen and say, then circle the one that doesn't belong. So you need to play CD. So I will play the audio now. So listen carefully.
Workbook, Phonics 2, Activity 2. Listen and say. Then circle the one that doesn't belong. 1. Dress, dress. Bread, bread. Drink, drink. 2. Grey, grey. Green, green. Tree, tree.
Okay, sorry, basically I make a mistake here. So this is basically we are learning R blends here. So this is, the answer is bread. And then for this correction here, so the answer should be 3. So because this one belongs to the same group, so we identify the first 2 alphabets. So gray and green are in the same group. So we have 3 here. And then next I will play again the audio. So for number 3.
Pretty, pretty. Brown, brown. Brush, brush.
So in activity 2, basically you need to identify the first two alphabets of the word. So this is very simple. So as you can see here, so DR and DR, so they belong to the same group. So that's why I need to circle this one, because the instruction stated circle the one that doesn't belong. And then for question number 2, we have GR here. So they are on the same group. So I circle these 3 here. And then we have this one BR, which belong to the same group. So this is the one that I need to circle. So pretty. So that's it for this page. So we are on page 87, English Year 3, Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it, you can join it.